Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use built-in Chromecast on your TCL TV. To do that, you're gonna have to first make sure that both your TV and the device that you want to pair it with or connect to your device, the device that you want to connect to your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, just open the settings menu, go to network and internet, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and make sure that the Wi-Fi that you are connected to on your TV is the same Wi-Fi that you are connected to on your casting device. For example, I'm gonna be using my Android smartphone. It's Google Pixel 8 if I'm not mistaken. So let me swipe down the control center, and all you have to do is just make sure that the network your smartphone is connected to is the same one that your TV is connected to. Unfortunately, it won't work with iPhones in a regular way, but we have a video on our channel titled how to connect your iPhone to TCL TV. So if you want to connect your iPhone to TCL TV, you're highly welcome to check out that video. Now I also want to show you in the device preferences, you have a feature called Google Cast. Open it. Here you can basically change one thing. So whether or not you want to let others control your cast media, select it. Here you have three available options: either while casting, never, or always. So basically, this option change whether or not you can control media that is being played on your TV that is casted from another device. So for example, whether or not you can skip, fast forward your videos that you are playing on YouTube, to change volume of the sound volume using your smartphone's volume buttons, etc. And you can either disable this feature by selecting never. This way you will not be able to manage your media on your TV using your smartphone. You can select while casting if you want the casting device to be able to change your to manage your media, or you can select always so that your external devices can always manage your media. Yeah. Now, in order to connect your Android smartphone to your TV, you're gonna have to swipe down the control center on your Android device, then find the casting tile in here. It looks like this. So the rectangle with Wi-Fi icon inside it. Sometimes it may look a bit differently, but if you don't see it in the quick settings menu, tap on the edit icon, and then let's find the cast option in here. So in my case, it's located in the connectivity tiles. Just tap on it to add it to your tiles list, and then tap on it in the quick settings menu. Locate your TV on the list, and then you'll be able to choose one of the two options, either to cast one application from your smartphone. In such case, you're going to have to select next and then select the application that you want to cast, or you can cast the entire screen of your TV. In such case, just select cast screen, and it will start casting to your TV immediately. And to stop casting, just swipe down the control center once again and tap on the cast icon, select disconnect. Now, of course, Androids are not the only devices that can be connected to your TV. You can also connect a PC using the same way, so just make sure that they are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So it's most probably gonna be a laptop unless you have a Wi-Fi module on in your PC. In order to connect your PC to your TV, you're gonna have to open the Google Chrome web browser. Then click the three dots menu and select cast option, and then choose your TCL TV under sources. So just in the very same way that we did it on our iPhones. You'll be also able to expand options for tab, desktop, or file casting to stream media directly from your PC. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.